Parents and students in Richmond are getting ready to start the school year virtually, but some families still have not received a laptop from the school district, and they might not get one until the end of September. Problem solver Shelby Brown spent the day looking into what caused the shortage.
Less than 2 weeks away from the start of school, and some RPS students and parents are faced with a new obstacle. A Chromebook order of 10,000 laptops placed back in June won't be in on time, much to the dismay of school leaders. Superintendent Dr. Jason Cameron says it's a bump in the road that was out of the district's control.
I wish I could control the global supply chain and the current administration in Washington and the decisions they've made vis-a-vis China, which is affecting things as well.
Previously, RPS issued 16,000 Chromebooks and still have 2,600 on hand. They'll prioritize distribution of those to students with IEPs and English learners. The other 2,600 students will be issued Android tablets until the rest of the Chromebooks are delivered. Pre-K students will start with no devices.
Our preschool team has been incredibly innovative, and they're putting together a whole set of activities along with an activity box that we're going to get out to all of our preschool families.
No matter what is going to be different.
Mom of four, Jenny Agamo, reacts to the last-minute technology changes.
It's just going to, be that much more anxiety for parents. It's going to be that much more confusion. So I understand the reasoning why, but it still doesn't make it. It's still going to be hard.
Let's all have the grace to work through the issues, learn from them, so that we can be ready to really do some great teaching and learning.
Dr. Cameron says to alleviate the stress, teachers are being directed on how to conduct classes for the first week.
So there will not be any graded assignments. There will not be any tests. The goal is to develop relationships, to kind of work through the tech challenges.
The devices that RPS currently has will be distributed to students next week. That Chromebook order is expected to come in no later than the end of September. Working for you, I'm Shelby Brown, CBS 6 News.